If Snapchat is not working on your Android device today, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First thing first, check Snapchat server status. Before diving into device specific fixes, it's wise to determine if the problem is on Snapchat's end. Visit Down Detector or check Snapchat's official support channels to see if there are any reported outage. Then restart the app and your device. Sometimes simply closing and reopening the app can resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't help, try restarting your phone to refresh system processes. Update the Snapchat app. Ensure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Open the Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and tap Update if available. Then check internet connectivity. A stable internet connection is crucial for Snapchat to function properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. If you are using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or restarting it. Clear app cache and data. Corrupted cache files can cause the app to malfunction. Navigate your device settings, then apps, app management, or manage apps depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat from the list. Tap on it, tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. If issues persist, consider clearing the app data, but note that this will log you out and reset app settings. Then check app permissions. Snapchat requires certain permissions to operate correctly. Go to your phone settings again, then apps, manage apps, and Snapchats again. Now permissions, and ensure that permissions for camera, microphone, and storage are enabled. Then reinstall Snapchat. If none of the above steps work, uninstalling and reinstalling the app can help. This ensures you have a fresh installation without any corrupted files. Then check for Android system updates. An outdated operating system can lead to compatibility issues. Go to your phone settings, then find System Update to check for and install any available updates. Now, disable VPNs and third-party apps. If you are using a VPN or any third-party apps that interact with Snapchat, they might interfere with its functionality. Try disabling them to see if Snapchat starts working properly. Last but not least, contact Snapchat support. If you have tried all the above steps and Snapchat is still not working, it's best to reach out to Snapchat support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues, preventing Snapchat from working on your Android device. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you so much.